Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror Motorola mobile phone to Google TV streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both the mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. In this mobile phone, let me go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go to network and internet, go to Wi-Fi. See, this mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in this mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on connected devices, tap here, then tap on connection preferences, then tap on cast. Here you can see this mobile phone has detected Chromecast enabled device in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google TV streamer. So this mobile phone has identified Google TV streamer. We can tap on this name. Now it's connecting. Then here in this drop down, we can select a single app or entire screen. Let me select entire screen. Then tap on start casting. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to settings. Then tap on this connected Google TV streamer. Tap on disconnect. See, done. Okay, you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.